Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to show you a revised performance and tutorial of an amazing beginner card trick that I did about 3 years ago. At the end of the video I'm going to announce the winners of the signed deck giveaway from my last video, plus there's going to be another signed deck giveaway. So for this effect I'm going to be using my orange bicycle playing cards. So we're going to take the cards and we'll go through the cards and I'm going to count out 26 cards. So we'll take the cards and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set the rest of the cards aside. So we have 26 cards. Now I'm going to count out 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we'll set this off to the side. Now we have two piles of 13 and I could riffle shuffle these 26 cards, but I'm not going to. I want you to decide how these cards are going to be mixed. So we're going to make one pile. You could tell me to go 1, 1, 1, or 2, 2, 3, 2, however you'd like. So let's go ahead. 1, 1.
1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2.
Okay, this was a free choice. You could have had me mix the cards any way you wanted. Now we're going to count out 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now we have two mixed up piles of 13 cards, and I want you to choose which pile of 13 cards we're going to use. We're going to take one of these piles and put them back in the deck, and we're going to use one of the piles. So, which one do you want to use? This one? Okay, so we'll take these cards and put them back in the deck, and we're going to use these 13. So before the trick started, I made a prediction and I put it in the card box. And on this piece of paper there are 13 card values. 2, 2, ace, 3, 4, 8, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, queen, king. Wouldn't it be amazing if these 13 card values match the 13 card values that you selected? No? Well, let's take a look and see anyway. 2, 2, ace, 3, 4, 8, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, queen, king. Okay, this effect is very similar to the one I did in my last video because it has a 26 card setup, but I think this even has a more powerful finish. This was originally created by Calibus71. He called it Prediction 13, and he based it off of my Make a Deck Bet card trick. The links for those videos will be in the description box below. You want to write down 13 random card values. It's better to make a few of them repeat, so I repeated the 2s, the 8s, and the queens, rather than having 13 different ones. Then you're going to find those card values. So you're going to have 13 here that match your predictions, and you want to set them up the exact same way. Then you want to stack them one on top of the other. So you're going to take these 13, put them on top of these 13, put them on top of the deck, and you're going to remember the bottom card, the 5 of spades. That's going to be your key card. Then you're going to take the prediction and put it in the card box. No need to tell the spectator you're making a prediction when the trick starts. So now you know that you have to get the 5 of spades back to the bottom, so you can cut the cards a few times. You can do what I did, which is the clumsy false shuffle. There's a link over here and in the description box below. It looks like you're shuffling the cards. You're not messing with the cyclical order of the deck. Now all you're going to do is look for the 5 of spades and move it back to the bottom. So once you find the 5 of spades, you just move it to the bottom, turn the deck over, and now your 26 cards are back on top. So all you have to do is count 26.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Set the rest of the deck to the side. By counting 13 cards off the top, you're going to reverse those 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the bottom card over here matches the top card here, and the top card over here matches the bottom card over here. So this is called the Gilbreth principle. Whether it's one riffle shuffle, whether you make a rosette and just push them together, or whether you do it the way I did in my performance. By doing it this way, you tell them to tell you what to do. You don't want them touching the cards. So you say you want me to put down 1, 2, 3, 4, then you switch back, and it doesn't matter how many times they switch. The Gilbreth principle is a mathematical principle which is mind-boggling because the top 13 cards will always be the prediction cards that are in this box. So it seems hard to believe, But after you do this, all you have to do is deal out 13 cards. You now have 2 packs of 13, and whichever pack the spectator chooses will have the 13 prediction cards. So that's what's really cool about this. You're not forcing 13 cards on them. You're making it very clear that they can choose the 13 cards to get rid of. They go back into the deck, hiding the evidence, and now you can spread these cards out and you could show them your prediction and show them that you predicted these 13 values. When you turn over and reveal to them that you have 2, 2, ace, 3, 4, 8, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, queen, king, they will be amazed. This always gets great reactions. Let me know what you think. Now on to the prize giveaway. Here are the 5 winners of the signed red standard back bicycle decks from my last video. Winner number 1 is Trophy is Here. Winner number 2 is ESGM7. Winner number 3 is Hayden Lehman. Winner number 4 is Lilia Becker. And winner number 5 is Cool Deep 7. Okay, let's do it one more time. 5 signed red standard back decks of bicycle playing cards. All you have to do is leave a comment below, like the video. I'll announce the winners in my next video. Good luck to everybody. That's it. I'll see you next time.